Hi, I'm Brayden.
I am Brayden.
And today we're going to be making cupcakes. So our ingredients for today is butter,
Cupcake cases,
eggs,
saturated flour,
caster sugar,
milk,
and finally vanilla extract. So for step 1, you want to preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius.
Yeah.
measure all your ingredients into a bowl and mix until smooth. Then add as much dye as you want.
And the bottle lid.
I lost the pot, I don't know what it.
It's not a lot of sugar, you know. I was sat thinking that's not even at 300, it's quite a lot of sugar. Ugh! Instructions for someone. So if it looks like this, guys, just know you're not doing a good job. So basically, you need 6 tablespoons of milk next. And this looks like scrambled egg, but it's fine, it will taste nice, I promise you. And then anyways, how many have we done? 6. I think that's enough. It looks a bit like one, I promise you. Did you even tap that? Look at this. Ah! This is disgusting. It's fine though, guys. Look. Sugar in your eggs? Because I made this eggy bread, but it's Scottish recipe.
Eggy bread.
I love it.
Yeah.
I'm actually so good at making it.
Yeah.
And we don't want that. And to be honest, it might need more milk, maybe.
Maybe a tiny bit.
I think more milk.
Maybe a tiny bit.
Because it looks a bit tough.
I'm gonna improvise, that'll do. See that? Period. Basically, we're gonna add a tiny bit of this, but be careful because if you put too much in, the colour doesn't go right.
Okay, that's good, that's good.
That'll do.
Because ours is sugar.
Like, not much at all. So now that we've got the mixture, what you want to do is, you want to get the cupcake cases and you want to put them into the silicone tray. And then you want to put in the mix, however much you need on, but don't put too much because of the self-raising flour, it might raise too high. These ain't the cupcakes I'm used to making.
It looks like.
Just that.
Oh, don't. Because you know, like donuts shiny.
This one is actual gel.
Oh, okay.
That's why. So usually we'll use these, but we don't have enough, so we're just using these.
The next step is to add your colours into the mix.
Who's using all this? It's not coming out.
You know, it looks like I'm trying to turn them brown or something.
Add a bit more pink.
Oh, look at him. Because the yellow's the one that I want to do. That looks like vomit. Why does it? It's Pablo Picasso.
This one's mine.
And
This
this one's
one's
ours.
ours.
When your cake mixes are ready, you put them in the oven for 25 minutes.
Won't drop it.
Now let's do a little closer to that.
So we're making the buttercream. So we've melted the butter. Now we need to weigh this. We need to do 150 grams of butter. So now we need 250 grams of icing sugar. Okay. Okay. So now we're putting the butter in here.
Lovely. You know.
Yeah.
A lot more. Yeah, you know.
You got it?
Would have rather burnt myself for and struggled.
Actually, it looks like the colour.
I know.
Have you got?
Some of them are already cracked in the middle, so.
It has like a little line right on it. This is fun. Should I just do it like that?
Yeah, and that's it, I reckon.
Not that. Did have maybe a bit too much.
Buttercream.
I'm back. You just missed me.
No.
Shut up.
I know that. Amazing. I stopped it in the bottom of the Amazing.
I regret leaving.
And
that's how you
make
make cupcakes,
HideOut
style.